Good afternoon, dear students. So, today in the online session, we have learned the new lesson, and the name of the lesson is Nani's Glass. What is the name of the lesson? Nani's Glasses. So, I will read it and I will explain the lesson to you line wise. Just pay attention. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. So, here what we are going to see in this story? We are going to see in the story that there is one grandmother and there is one boy. So, boy calls his grandmother as Nani, and the boy is wearing yellow color shirt, and his grandmother, that is his Nani, is wearing his green color sari. So now, what is the story about? The story is that there is one grandmother, she keeps on losing her glasses. So this story is based on that. So, Nani keeps her glasses anywhere. Glasses means specs. Nani keeps her glasses anywhere, and after that, when she wants them, when she want to wear them, she cannot find them because she keeps her glasses here and there. Nani keeps losing her glasses. So Nani, she always keep her glasses here and there and she loses them. Where did I keep them? She always asks. So Nani, she keeps her glasses anywhere, and she afterward she forgets it that where she have kept her glasses. So she always keep on asking that where is my glasses? Where is my glasses? So she needs me to be her eyes to find her own eyes. Now what the boy is telling? The boy is telling that Nani needs me. Why Nani needs the boy? Nani needs the boy so that the boy can become Nani's eyes. So that the boy can find the Nani's real eyes. Real eyes means he can find Nani's glasses. So Nani always need the boy so that he can find her glasses. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on her bed, and sometimes on her head. So where Nani keeps her glasses? Nani always keeps her glasses in the bathroom, sometimes on the bed, and sometimes on her own head. And she thinks that she have lost the glasses by keeping it here and there. I looked everywhere in all the usual places. Now the boy is telling that I am searching for the glasses everywhere. Wherever she can keep her glass or she can lose her glass, he tried to find out her glasses, but it was not there. Now where he is searching for the glasses, so we will just see that where the boy is searching for the glasses. He searched the glasses on her head, in the bathroom, and also inside the cupboard, and also in the bed. But the glasses were nowhere. The glasses were not on her head, they were not in the bathroom, they were not in the cupboard, and also they were not on the bed. Now where were the glasses? He is searching for the glass. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. No glasses, no luck. Now the boy is telling that I also tried to search for the glasses under the chair, under the favorite chair of Nani where she loves to sit. And also he searched for the glasses under the dining table, but there were no glasses, and he is telling that no glasses, no luck. I asked her what she had done the whole day. She said, I did nothing much today. Now the boy is trying to search for the glass. So that's why he is asking Nani that Nani, just tell me what work you have done for the whole day. So it will be easy for me to find out your glasses. So Nani is telling that I did not do much work today. She is saying that I was working in the kitchen and for some time I was working in the garden. What is Nani saying? I was making food I was cooking food in the kitchen and I was also doing some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. So Nani is telling that I also uh, was reading books. I was reading books and also I was doing knitting work. Now, what is knitting work? Knitting work means to do work using wool, to make sweaters out of wool. See, we can see woolen bundle over there in the picture. Yes, Nani was doing knitting work. Knitting work means to do the work using wool. Now I had many clues. Now the boy is telling that now I have got many clues. Clues means now he had many things to think for, that where Nani would have kept the glasses. Clues means ideas. I quickly looked around new places in the house. Aha! I found the missing glasses. The glasses were wrapped in the knitting yarn. So the boy is telling that I am going to search for the glasses where Nani have told. So he started looking in the kitchen, in the garden where Nani was reading books, but the glass were not there. Now at last the boy started searching for the glass near the knitting yarn. Knitting yarn means the woolen thread, the ball of woolen thread. So at last the boy found out Nani's glass in the knitting yarn, in the woolen ball. The glasses were all wrapped with the woolen thread. So at last the boy found the glasses of Nani. So this was the story about the Nani who lost her glasses, and the little boy found out the glasses for Nani. So students, we will meet in the next class with the new lesson. Till that time, you solve all the worksheets and complete all your work. Thank you and take care.